Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that can transform the way you work and manage your time. Ever feel like you're endlessly checking off tasks, but not really moving the needle? Or maybe you're buried under a mountain of responsibilities with no idea where to start? This is where the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto Principle, can be a game changer. Imagine this scenario: you have a to-do list with 20 tasks, but here's the catch: only 4 of those tasks will truly drive your success. That's the Pareto Principle in action. Named after Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto, this principle came to life in the 1890s when Pareto noticed that 80% of Italy's wealth was held by only 20% of the population. But here's the exciting part: this rule isn't just about economics. It's a powerful productivity tool anyone can use, from students to professionals. Let's dive into how you can apply the 80-20 rule to transform your workflow, eliminate distractions, and truly maximize your productivity. I'll take you through 5 practical steps to make the 80-20 rule your secret weapon for success. Point number 1: identify your high-impact tasks. First up, not all tasks are created equal. To start applying the 80-20 rule, you need to identify the 20% of your tasks that produce 80% of your results. Think of it like this: imagine you're a student with several subjects to study. If you focus on the core topics or exams that weigh the most in your final grade, you're more likely to see higher results. Or, if you're a business owner, focus on the clients or products that bring in most of your revenue. To do this, begin by listing your tasks and categorizing them based on the potential impact on your goals. High-impact tasks directly contribute to your key objectives, while low-impact tasks are the ones you'd be doing just for the sake of staying busy. Highlight these high-impact tasks so you can immediately see where your focus should be. Pro tip: if you're not sure which tasks have the highest impact, review your previous work or outcomes to identify patterns. What tasks tend to lead to the most significant results? Point number 2: eliminate or delegate low-value tasks. Once you know what tasks will move the needle, it's time to eliminate or delegate the remaining 80%, the low-value tasks that don't add significant value. This might seem tough at first, especially if you're used to managing everything yourself. But trust me, automating, outsourcing, or delegating certain tasks can save you tons of time and mental energy. For instance, let's say you're spending hours a week on routine emails or data entry. If these tasks don't directly lead to growth, consider using automation tools or delegating to someone else. Not only does this free up your time for high-impact work, but it also reduces the mental clutter that can hold you back from making real progress. Pro tip: if you're not able to fully delegate a task, try batching similar tasks together. By grouping low-value tasks, you minimize the time and energy they consume. Point number 3: use time blocking to stay focused. Now that you've identified high-impact tasks and delegated the rest, let's talk about time blocking. Time blocking is a technique where you allocate specific blocks of time to each priority task, treating these blocks like appointments that are non-negotiable. This helps you avoid distractions and stay laser-focused on the task at hand. For example, set aside blocks of time for different types of work. Maybe from 9 to 10 a.m., you work exclusively on a presentation, and from 10:15 to 11 a.m., you follow up with key clients. By giving yourself dedicated, uninterrupted time, you're able to dive deep into each task without interruptions. Example for time blocking beginners: Monday 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., focus on strategic planning or high-priority tasks. Tuesday 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m., follow up on essential client interactions or work on that important project you've been putting off. Creating these appointment blocks with yourself ensures that high-impact work always has a place in your day. Point number 4: apply the Eisenhower Matrix for prioritization. Here's another powerful tool to enhance your productivity: the Eisenhower Matrix. This matrix categorizes tasks based on urgency and importance. Here's how it works. Urgent and important: tasks that require immediate attention. These should be done first to avoid last-minute stress. Important but not urgent: these are your 80-20 tasks, the high-impact tasks that help you achieve long-term goals but aren't pressing. Focus here for consistent progress. Urgent but not important: tasks that are often time-sensitive but don't significantly impact your goals. Consider delegating these. Not urgent, not important, these are distractions. Aim to eliminate them entirely to keep your day focused. Example of using the Eisenhower Matrix. Say you're working on a project, but an email comes in that needs a quick response. Rather than stopping your project midway, use the Eisenhower Matrix to decide if this email is worth interrupting your high-priority task or if it can wait until a designated time. Point number 5, review and adjust regularly. Now, the 80-20 rule isn't a set-it-and-forget-it kind of strategy. Make it a habit to review your progress at the end of each week. Check in with yourself. What went well? What didn't? Where can you make adjustments? Reviewing your high-impact tasks regularly allows you to track your progress and spot areas for improvement. Plus, as your goals shift or new responsibilities come up, you can continue refining your 20% tasks to align with what matters most. Conclusion. So, by applying the 80-20 rule, you can get more done in less time. It's all about identifying what really moves the needle, eliminating distractions, and focusing your energy on the right tasks. Imagine the difference it could make in your life if you focus on impactful work rather than staying busy with low-value tasks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep building a life where we do more of what matters most. Remember, productivity isn't about doing everything, it's about doing the right things.